don't delete what you got on there, Fish. You ever, get your camera and you delete it off and you say, oh man, I had some important video on there. I can't wait for the bus to come by for those cars. Hey, I'm Fish. Yeah, I went out and, I was shown, hey, look what you got here. That was interesting. It was a, what's that sound? It must be 37 degrees again. And we got this, clock. And it's shaped of an old camera. So I'm heading out. I need some molding. And I cannot forget my necklace string, twine. See what they got. But I'm going to Lowe's. The twine I looked at, or maybe was in Home Depot. So as we travel along and get to where we need to be at, oh man, see that guy go through the light? Just went right through the light. Up ahead, yeah, is a USPS truck. We'll get up to it. My package was released from the facility, finally, on its way. First class is last class. I think the problem was I was the only package at the facility going to my area, and the truck driver just did not want to go, and they gave him time off. We're here where we need to be at. Let's go get our stuff. Oops, I gotta get back to the car. I forgot one thing. I forgot to turn my video light off. Where is it? I got it off. I always press the light itself. It's a small button. It's got no light around or nothing. You just gotta feel for it. So let's get on in. Go get the two things we need. Molding, twine. .6mm, yeah. 4mm? Not at all. That's 4mm, but airy. I think this is good. This is good. This is good. I found it. Molding. It's in a different spot. Kind of what I need right here. $8 a piece. Already stained. I need 80 inches. That's what I need. $15. All right, I got what I wanted. Molding. Twine, I'll go online. I don't know what 4mm look like there on that one. But yeah, I think I need 2mm or so. I can't believe I got out real fast. Well, I gotta get to today, bagels. And yeah, I'm not going to Ross and Daughters or Etsy's Bagels. Esther's Bagels. I'm going to a bagel store. And yeah, they're the best bagels around. I call them air bagels, airgles. You want to get an airgle with me? Come on, let's get going. I spent 8 versus 10 versus 19. I don't get my camera sometimes. The speaker's clean. There's no sun right now. Only get a nice sunrise. Let's park the car over here off the avenues. Man, I did good. Straighten out. Park. I passed. Let's go get our bagels, man. 18 for a dozen. price, that is. Less than the price. The everything was just coming out. That's all they had. But the problem was, he gave me 17 everything and one plane. I said 18. He heard me. He did not hear me say plane. He purposely put a plane in. Oh yeah, they don't love fish. I wasn't born yesterday. And, you know, when you say 18, that means you get 18. But when you say 18 everything, that means you get everything bagels. No, I wanted everything bagel, 18 of them if that's the only thing you got. And the problem is, it's being that way all over again. And you just gotta, soak it up and deal with it. Don't worry about it. I'll have the plain bagel for breakfast with Joe. And we'll get things done because, you basically said, okay, thank you. Okay, thank you is the response when, okay, thank you. I got my camera on the dash tripod loose. We don't go fast anymore, so I'm able to do that and ride along. I had a good time. It was a good time riding. I got what I needed right away, and I got my bagels nice and hot. What more can I ask for? Not much more than that. Putting up the wood, finishing up my, door. All I need to do now is wait for a doorknob. I'm going to wait for a good doorknob to put on there. Not today. No rush to do it. And on that note, maybe I'll show you how I'm going to hang the mold in. Have a great day. I'm Fish, and I'll see you later. Just need a door handle. I'll transfer an old one, put a new one in my room, all done, just like that.